how to hide date join on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Well, actually, no one can track when you join Instagram. However, they can go through your post and check the last photo that you posted and figure out when you joined Instagram. So, if you want to hide it from people, then you have to go to your profile to the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, scroll down and tap on account privacy. So, if it is set to public, everyone can view your account and your post and the date you posted. So, you just have to toggle on the private account and then switch to private. Now, only the people that you accept, your followers, will be able to view the date you posted and joined. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.